2019, 2020, now 2021. What did you do in 2020? Have you achieved your goal? Have you ever tried to succeed until 2022? To be honest, I want to ask a question. 2020 has gone. Rather than 2021 has started. What all you wanted in 2020? And what all have you achieved in 2020? Whatever you had done in 2020 about you. Did you ever try back up at it whole night? Did you work at night? Did you ever try complete routine? Did you ever try to submit your admit mistake like this? You did that. You completed that. You achieved your dream. You will achieve your dream, but you didn't. But it not matter. You compare yourself. Whether your life, whether you didn't complete yourself, whether you never compare yourself, but whether you couldn't have done your task. Whether you target your was small, whether you felt your 21, 22, 2019 this, but you had spent your life. No matter you couldn't achieve, no matter you felt, no matter you had no time, no matter you had no money, there's no everything Sunday, there's no everything is not in life sections. Although you have time, opportunity, start your life, you to self your life. Now consume yourself. Now for no procrastination in your work, no careless with your struggles, no think about anyone, think only your task, no repeat your negative thing. You achieve your sure. You will achieve your life for sure. You'll have goal. Goal is specific. Goal is magnificent. You achieved your aim. Till 2022. Keep in mind, think your life is not far. You'll do whatever your team, you put to on your target. Do love your work, do love your goal, do love your destinations. I'll touch my destination, my life.